Very nice. And as always, the betting time is available, ladies and gentlemen. Play a bonus round, 10 cents, taken like for a whole month. But then you should stop playing Rivaldo. Of course, everybody it goes without saying, but of course, it cannot be overstated. You should always play responsibly. Set your limits, play within your means, don't take it too far. We have 5 lightnings, by the way, everybody. We have a 30 number to section. Congratulations to the awesome winners, and thank you for the round, everybody. Gino, 1,400 euros for you. You're the top winner. And of course, the betting time begins, everyone. So place some bets, join us, and let's keep it going. Let's drop some lightnings, everybody. We have 10, 15, 17, 300x on the 15. We have 3 red, low number, first dozen. Congratulations to the lovely winners, and thank you for the round, everybody. Nice stuff. Hottest number is a 30, coldest one is a 34. And as always, the bet is available, everybody. So go ahead, place your new bets, and join us once again. Let's keep it going. Two, 6, and 26. 50x on all of them. We have 9 red, odd number from the Roulette Mining section. Congratulations to the winners, and thank you for the game, everybody. Nice. You're welcome to join us for the next round. And let's get right to it, everybody. Let us drop the lightnings. 4 lightning numbers. We have 2, 5, 7, 21. 100x and 2 chain lightning numbers. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a red, a low number from the Roulette section. My compliments to all the winners, and thank you for the round, everybody. Lax 351 euros. And of course, you're welcome to place your bets and join us for the next round. Let's drop some lightnings, everybody. Let's try to keep it polite, everyone. Even with each other. 17, 21, 30, 500x on the 17.